Having a clear path towards reaching our goals or destinations are very important. Without a clear path, there is always this mental confusion as to how to reach our destination. So keeping this simple logic in mind, it's important that one has a schedule during one's course of preparation, because a schedule is like this clear path towards your destination. And we have come up with new schedules for upcoming NEET MDS 2024 as well as 2025. You can WhatsApp or mail us and you can access the same. Having a schedule will allow you to comprehensively cover all subjects in the stipulated amount of time. And this is going to enhance your confidence and most importantly, allows you make maximum use of the available time. So for the upcoming new schedules towards the upcoming entrances, feel free to get back 24/7. Remember, it's all about hard work, consistency and self-belief. Along with that, smart work like having a clear schedule, as you can see in this video, where it's quite obvious without this path it's not easy, or it's not convenient, or it's not efficient to reach your destination, isn't it? All the very best. Love you all.